RRD 03 is a single-story house seamlessly integrated with the lush greenery surrounding it, connected to the main entrance by a walkway from the expansive communal area. The panels, appearing as free-floating layers of exposed concrete and wood, do not emphasize the construction, but instead reinforce the subtle dialogue between the delicate architecture and the surrounding greenery. Upon entering the residence, we pass through a permeable wooden panel that floats above the front garden. A semi-open landscaped hall leads to the main internal hall and the primary access to the social areas. Two concrete volumes frame these spaces, one on the left housing the garage and service areas, and the other on the right containing the private areas. All the facilities, both service and private, open to the side green areas, set at a comfortable distance from the property boundaries, allowing these parts of the house to breathe. A spacious veranda serves the gourmet area and is enhanced by a white metal pergola, bringing the social areas closer to the sun deck and swimming pool. No significant structural efforts were required, except in areas needing more intricate solutions, such as the elevated roof over the social area between the lower volumes.